We are here at 15729 Holly Grove Road. It's listed by Lending Patton of Century 21. This is in the Clovery neighborhood of Montgomery County in Silver Spring. And it's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 3-car garage, 2.24 acres. And let's go see. Upon entry, this is the foyer. First thing I notice is all the walls have been finished in a stucco type of faux finish. Huge closet. Assuming that's a pantry. I'm gonna go to the right first. So this looks to be a formal dining room with different curio cabinets installed as millwork, painted in a really pretty teal green. Yeah, this is millwork. Marble, sconces. Metal ceiling detailing. And your view is all the trees, so it's very private. It's going for $1.049 million. Look at that brass vanity light. Obviously customized with wallpaper. They have this as an office, but it could be a library, a Zen room, whatever you prefer. Now heading back towards the kitchen. We're gonna stop here at the back door mudroom. Oh, laundry. Cabinetry. This is right off of the kitchen. Farmhouse sink. Nice window that opens out to the view. Custom cabinetry. 6-burner gas stove. Another sink, which is cool. Bar style sink. And then this looks like a little wet bar area for entertaining. Skylights. It's got a real kind of European or Tuscany vibe. I would think that's what they were going for. This looks to be a living room, very spacious. More built-ins, custom millwork, fireplace. View from front yard. I think these floors are oak. They're definitely real wood. And then this is such a beautiful room. Another fireplace. Wall-to-wall windows. Skylights galore. That's a koi pond. More custom built-ins. Nice fan. This room is so cool. I would make this my office. But that's because I love having the outdoors within. You see that fireplace? They have a whole entertainment vibe set up out there. It's beautiful. Let's see if you can see through this. Coming back through, that stucco finish is consistent on the ceiling in here as well. And let's go up. Double front doors, I didn't mention that when we were coming in. Carpet with wrought iron to hold it down. This was definitely custom done because it has the padding under it. Most of the windows open out like this, which I love because you can enjoy all the fresh air when it's not so humid. This is kind of an overlook space. I guess you could make it a library or a sitting area or even a little play area for a baby or a child. Bedroom number 1. Very spacious. Closet. Not sure what this shelf is for, but the stucco is up here as well. So you better like stucco. Bedroom number 2, great windows. These openings allow a lot of natural light to come in. Very large bathroom for those 2 bedrooms. Shower. Ooh. Bedroom number 3. More built-ins and a custom banquette with storage underneath. These are my favorite. I used to do these all the time in design. Soji screen closet and pantry, and I think this is the primary. Custom wall detail, like a live edge stone, made to look like stacked stone, but it's really like a, what is that made out of? It's not stone, it's just made to look that way. Kind of a foam finish, I think. Built-in cabinetry in the walk-in closet. Nice handles. And this is the primary's bathroom. Stone finish. Continued stone finish throughout. A window inside the home to overlook the balcony. I guess this is for romance when it's time to be serenaded. I do really love the natural light, the skylights, the transom windows. Because it's a dark, rainy day and it doesn't feel dark in here. Chocolate marble. I feel like the best part of this house is definitely, the house is pretty, but the outside is kind of magical. this koi pond. I love koi fish. Woo! There was one. Yes. I think this is a waterfall. Yeah, I'm sure it is. Oh, how pretty. You can barbecue. A full custom barbecue grill with all the bells and whistles. 2.24 acres, so it goes back there. Japanese maples. It's just beautiful. All kinds of different trees here.